First up, breaking news coming in. The Election Commission has asked for a report from Surendranagar collector about the incident where Hardik Patel was slapped during one of his public addresses. Remember, Hardik Patel has filed a police complaint giving a statement also to the police after he was slapped in Surendranagar. The attacker is already in custody. Listen into what Hardik Patel is saying.
દરેક ભાજપના લોકો નથી ઈચ્છતા ગુજરાતની અંદર 25 વર્ષનો યુવાન ભાજપ સામે બોલે, લોકોને મળે અને મને એવું લાગે છે કે ભાજપવાળા મારી હત્યા કરવાનું કાવતરા સાથે આવા લોકોને મોકલી રહ્યા છે. મને એવું લાગે છે કે સુસાઇડ બોમ્બરો દ્વારા કંઈક ને કંઈક જેવી રાજીવજી જોડે ઘટના બની છે એવી રીતે મારી જોડે ઘટના બનાવશે અને આ ભાજપવાળા મને મારી નાખવાનો તમામ પ્રયાસો કરશે.
આપ ફરિયાદ કરશો હાર્દિકભાઈ?
જોઈએ છીએ, અત્યારે અમે જવાના છીએ, કદાચ મળીશું પોલીસ સ્ટેશને અને વાત કરીશું.
હાર્દિકભાઈ આ કોણ હશે ને શું છે આપને કઈ એની માહિતી?
નહીં, મને કંઈ ખબર નથી હવે કોણ છે, પોલીસને ખબર.
हार्दिक पटेल हमारा कांग्रेस का स्टार प्रचारक है और स्टार प्रचारक के दौर में पूरे गुजरात के अंदर दौरा कर रहा है और जब भी जहाँ पे मीटिंग कर रहा है, जहाँ पे सभाएं कर रहा है, वो सभाएं फुल जा रही है. जबकि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के जो राष्ट्रीय लीडर भी आते हैं या लोकल लीडर है, वो जहाँ पे भी सभा कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे उनकी सभा के अंदर फियास्का होता है. तो जो हार्दिक का जो प्रभाव है वो प्रभाव तोड़ने के लिए कोई थप्पड़ मार रहा है, कोई हेलीकॉप्टर नहीं उतर रहा है, उसको सुरक्षा नहीं दी जा रही है, ये सभी मामले आ रहे हैं सामने.
Let's go across to my colleague Priyanka, who's tracking live developments. Priyanka, tell us the latest that's happening. What is the police, local police saying right now? Of course, what we're also learning is that the Election Commission has also sought a report.
Well, yes, Dr. S. Murli Krishna, the Chief Electoral Officer from Gujarat, has actually asked the Surendranagar collector to file a report, an exhaustive report about the entire incident that took place today morning in Surendranagar in the Hardik Patel rally, where this individual had gone on stage and slapped Hardik Patel numerous times. And that's what just has happened a few minutes back. But what I'd also like to tell you that is that the police commissioner and the police officials have actually come out and said that Hardik Patel in his statement did not anywhere mention anything about him being a BJP worker, but the Hardik Patel team and Hardik Patel himself are coming in front of the media and saying time and time again that this was a BJP worker and this was a conspiracy by the BJP. He's time and time again also making such controversial statements saying that the BJP had completely planned an assassination for Hardik Patel since quite some days, and that's why this individual was present in the rally. But why did he not say all these things in the police complaint and also in the statement that he made with the police officials just in the morning itself after the incident took place? So this somewhere also seems like Hardik Patel trying to get more 15 minutes of fame out of this entire incident, trying to target the BJP, trying to target the BJP without any proof as well, and making such controversial statements while making these claims. And also the police officials have said that we know for a fact, we have done some background checks of this individual and he has no affiliation with any political parties. And this is a bite that the police official, after taking the complaint by Hardik Patel, has actually said to the media that there is absolutely no affiliation of this particular person that we have arrested, who was actually thrashed by the PAS convener followers there in Surendranagar. And that's what, that's what the latest development is as of now in this particular incident, Shivani.
All right, Priyanka, appreciate you joining us with the latest. We'll keep coming back to you for more.